The V1000 Series AC Drives from Yaskawa are NEMA 1 rated compact current vector microdrives, crafted with production efficiency and maintainability in mind. These drives have earned a reputation for being high performance, high functioning, and high quality. With this series, Yaskawa has created the first compact current vector microdrive in their pursuit to create drives optimized for the market. They are best suited for applications in conveyors, packaging, fans, pumps, food and beverage, and industrial washers. Features of the V1000 series include drive sizes up to 30% smaller than the competition, open-loop current vector control, online tuning, starting torque of 200% at 0.5 Hz, side-by-side installation, Modbus communication, and a one-touch Verify copy function with Verify. Other available options for some drives in the V1000 series include screwless terminals, 24-volt DC control power units, 120-volt AC interfaces, other network communications such as Profibus DP, DeviceNet, Ethernet IP, and Modbus TCP IP, and NEMA 3R4X operator kits. With so many features and flexibilities, the V1000 series is full of smaller-sized alternatives to traditional AC drives. For more information on the V1000 Series AC Drives and other Yaskawa solutions, visit us at gelco.com.